Hello, this is Caroline Bell from Summerhill Financial Services, just with another update. Just a couple of things on this update. Firstly, markets. So markets continue to stay relatively high, particularly the US. Australian shares, European shares are still at a stage where we're certainly happy to remain invested. We're just a little bit reluctant to invest new monies at this stage. I'm expecting just a bit of a pullback, just given they've been bouncing around for 6 months now at highs. So they're sort of still around where they were in June, July. They've just sort of been bouncing around and haven't changed very much. Very aware that interest rates are low, so sitting in cash is not a lot of fun at the moment. But we're very concerned about protecting wealth that's been accumulated rather than sort of chasing a little bit of extra return. And as soon as we do sort of feel that there has been a pullback in markets, we're certainly going to be in touch with those sitting on a little bit of cash to start investing. Some of you may have received an update or a notification from Macquarie just in relation to some account changes. It's really just about some changes in minimums in terms of minimum cash balances or minimum amounts for new investments, and doesn't really impact you. So it's something that you don't need to be too concerned about. Speaking of Macquarie, we're currently in negotiation with them in relation to negotiating the administration fees. It may take about 6 months, and it involves sort of a new product as well, which we're always a little bit reluctant to be guinea pigs. So we're expecting it could take about 6 months before we sort of make the transfer and take advantage of these lower fees. But for those that are affected and who could be better off, we'll mention them certainly in the next planning meetings. And lastly, just with an update on our online investment offering, which we want to release early in 2020. Just going through the compliance, it's a little bit of a different compliance situation. So going through that to make sure everything's ticked off and certainly under control from a compliance point of view, as well as looking at upgrading the website and some marketing campaigns as well. But we'll certainly give more information about our online investment opportunity or solution next year. But that's really for people that don't need full advice or have smaller amounts to invest. We're just wanting to be a little bit more inclusive and not have to turn so many people away like we've done in the past. Wishing you all a very happy Christmas as we do get closer to the end of the year. It is amazing how quickly the years go. And as always, if you have any comments or questions, please let us know. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.